Okay, here's a question for you. Are your techs presenting must-do repairs and should-do repairs on every repair call? Are your techs presenting the cost savings of your service agreement on each repair on every service call? Now, what would happen to your business if they did? Well, things may start looking up a bit, maybe a lot. Our iPad-based picture-perfect pricing system takes the burden of selling off your tech's shoulders and lets them simply start a conversation about what they did, what they found, what must be repaired, what should be repaired, and everything else they checked. And this is accomplished simply, professionally, and clearly. Compare this with this. Plus, the system highlights the potential cost savings of your service agreement at every step. Picture-perfect pricing is more than a flat-rate pricing system. Of course, none of this amounts to anything unless the system is easy enough to use that your techs actually use it on every service call. If you can use an iPad, you can use picture-perfect pricing. Picture-perfect pricing is easy to administer. Add just a few pieces of information, including your logo, and begin using the system immediately. Simple to use, simple to administer, and a great conversation starter, which means picture-perfect pricing will get used on every repair call. More choices are presented more professionally to the homeowner. More repairs and more service agreements are sold per repair call. So contact HVAC Business Solutions today and ask about picture-perfect pricing.